time.
Do I see Mickey Mouse?
It's a Mickey Mouse cash register. And that's everything.
How does it work, Cash?
You press all of these buttons.
Oh, cool. There's even Mickey Mouse money?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
And watch when I press this button. Great choice. And also, here's the star on.
Yeah, there's some stars and some gears back there.
Yeah, with the little tiny hose and make sounds out here.
And you got a hammer and some other tools.
Yeah, and also a wrench and some claws. And also, I have this to pay your money.
Oh, okay. I've got a 1, a 5, a 10, and a 20.
And also this.
5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 cents. Okay, I found some stuff in your store. An orange juice. And I want some mustard. And I want this. And a cup. So how much is all that going to be?
That'll be $30.
$30. Here you go, sir. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. Let's see, I'll take those. Beep. Beep.
How much will that be?
That comes out to $10.25. Let's see, 10 and 25. Yep. All right. That in there. 1 Donald Duck, 1 Mickey Mouse. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. I think I want Marshall, Rocky, and Gecko.
Thank you. That will be $35.35.
Here you go, $35.35.
May bag them up for you? And here you go.
All right, yes. I get to go play with Rocky and Marshall and Gecko. Are you ready to purchase?
Yeah.
What do you have? You got Granny Pig.
And also
And,
a ball.
ooh, that's a pretty cool ball.
And also the scoop.
And, ooh, the scooper. Beep, 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 beep. That'll be $25.10. Uh-oh, you dropped the money. We got 25 and 10 cents. There you go. Oh, cool, train set. This is perfect. I want to buy this, please.
Okay. That'll be $36.10.
$36.10. That's most of my money. There's
Get rid of it.
35. Oh, that's all my money. And 10. Here you go. All right. Dring, dring.
Hello, who's there?
I'm looking for a pink bowl. Do you have one at your store?
Probably maybe just, let me go check. Oh, we do have one.
You do?
Yeah,
All right. See you in a minute. Sir, I'm here for the pink bowl.
okay. $30.
$30 even. Here you go. All right, thank you very much. Hello?
Do you have a stuffed lion?
A stuffed lion?
Yeah.
Let me go check real quick. Oh, here's one right here. Sir, we do have a lion. I'll see you when you come to the store.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hey.
Are you the one that asked for the lion?
Yeah.
Okay, I got him right here. Beep. It's gonna be plus this, plus that, minus that, plus that, plus this. $5.10. And here is your lion.
Okay. Yay. Yay. Yay, 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 yay.
Great choice! Hey there! It's me, Mickey Mouse! What mouse tools do we need today? Huh? Diggity dog! Say, Fellow Mouse can do it!
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Go away, monster! Stop following me!
My fingers! My fingers! My fingers are gonna